Hello and welcome back. Easy, tasty, healthy, refreshing, and one pot Pudina Chicken Pulao or mint chicken rice. Let's see how this is made. Into a larger pot, I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Here I am making 1.5 cup of rice. Now let's add 1 bay leaf, 1 inch of cinnamon, 2 pods of cardamom, 1 cloves and 1 black pepper whole. Let's wait for it to splutter. To that I'm adding 1 medium-sized onion. This recipe is definitely going to be handy when you are busy or lazy to cook. I have done a rough slicing here. If you're watching my channel for the first time, as always, please don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell icon. Saute this for a while until the onions turns transparent. Before that, I'm adding 1 big tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute everything together until well combined. To this add salt as required and saute everything together and cover and cook until the onions turns transparent. Meanwhile, let's make a simple mint paste for the rice. Here I have taken almost 1.5 cup of fresh mint leaves. To that I have added 4 green chillies. You can add this as per your taste preference. And to blend this I am adding half cup of yogurt. Now let's blend this to a smooth paste. In the meantime, let's check on the onions. It has become transparent. Give a quick mix before adding the main ingredient, that is the pudina puree or the pudina paste. Mix everything together. Now add the chicken pieces. Here I have taken half kg of chicken as I am taking 1.5 cup of rice. Saute everything together until the chicken pieces are well coated with the pudina puree or the pudina paste, and we will be cooking the chicken in this gravy for some time before adding the rice. Check salt as required and mix everything together. Cover and cook this until the chicken is 85% cooked before adding the rice. So in between I am adding almost 3/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder. You can add this as per your taste preference, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. This is the only masala powders we are using for this rice. Mix everything together until well combined. Cover and cook for the chicken to cook 85%. Our chicken is almost ready. As you can see, the oil has separated from the gravy and the chicken is also almost 85% cooked. To this I am adding 2 1/4 cup of hot water as I am taking here 1.5 cup of basmati rice. Adjust the salt for rice as required. Mix everything together. And add the washed and soaked basmati rice. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of basmati rice. Give it a quick mix before covering and cooking it. Cook this on a low to medium flame for 25 to 30 minutes, or you can even pressure cook it for 2 whistles. So our simple 1-pot chicken mint pulao is now ready to be served. Try this recipe exactly as it is once and I'm sure you will be tempted to make it more and more. This flavorful and refreshing mint pulao recipe is very easy to make, and also it's a feast to your tummy. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the space for more interesting updates.